the truth, you cover it up. Makagini,
I was coming to open the door. Wait, my princess. I think you're forgetting something.
Welcome, my princess.
Yeah. How are you?
I'm fine.
It's yours. You can have it.
Huh? Mine?
Yeah.
How? My princess, mine?
Yes.
Is it not too much?
Nothing is too much. You deserve it. Look, I like you. You're a good man.
You like me?
No, like, you're a good man. But it's okay. Have fun. See you around.
My princess. Is it not a lot?
No, it isn't.
My princess. Sorry. Please. When is your brother coming back?
Soon.
Soon,
He's busy and needs to tidy up a few things before he comes in.
Oh, okay, no problem. At least I have some time to...
I hope there's no problem.
No, you know...
If you're thinking that my brother is going to throw you out once he comes in, just scrap that, okay? He's my brother, and he's not like that.
I know, but at the same time, the house is not my own, so I have to be prepared for anything.
No, come on, you have nothing to worry about.
Okay.
Okay?
No problem. Thank you, ma.
All right.
Thank
See you around.
Okay. I said, come here.
Sir, you called me.
That bag princess gave you, what is inside that bag?
What?
I said that bag princess gave to you, what is inside that bag?
Okay, the bag. She took it inside.
What are the one you threw inside your
There's nothing in my car.
Yeah, Obiora. Remember, the first day you entered into this compound, I told you that I don't trust you. I don't.
But sir, she took
When
the
was
bag.
princess buy something for you?
No, she didn't buy anything from you. She just took the bag inside. Yes, sir.
She took the bag inside?
Yes, sir.
So the bag is not inside this car?
No, sir, no.
It's not inside your car? Obiora! Obiora!
Girl is still sleeping by this time of the day. Look at this stupid thing. What? Come on, wake up from there. Are you mad? Stupid. Good morning, idiot. Why are you still sleeping by this time?
I'm sorry. I slept very late because I woke throughout the night. Sorry.
So I should fry egg?
No.
What do you expect me to do? Clap for you? No. That you woke throughout the night and slept late? Must you sleep?
No.
If you work throughout the night, you wait and start in the morning so that you can finish the chores. You must not sleep. Go straight to the kitchen and prepare breakfast. Tidy up everywhere. You know, today is weekend and you're here sleeping.
No, please. Can I change my clothes at least?
I don't want to wait for you. I don't understand Ebube these days. I don't. Could you imagine that Ebube was still sleeping in her room up to 6 a.m. this morning? I had to go to her room to pour her cold water before she wakes up.
Lucy, can you just listen to yourself? Can you hear yourself? That you went to the poor girl's room to wake her up with cold water Does that sound right in your ears? Since when have you become this cruel and wicked and heartless? Did you ask if she was sick or something?
There is nothing wrong with her. Absolutely nothing. She was just lazy. According to what she said she walked throughout last night, that she walked late, that she had to go to bed late hour. Must she sleep? Huh?
So she explained to you. She walked till late in the night. And the poor girl had a little time just to sleep and rest her head. All you could do was to go to her room and pour cold water on her body. Lucy, since when have you become this wicked? Oh,
just listen to yourself. I should go to the kitchen and prepare the breakfast by myself. Was she not paid? Was she not paid to be doing those chores? Huh?
Mom, calm down now, Mom. Mom, you shouldn't have poured that girl cold water. You shouldn't have. That girl is going through a lot too. The last time she was sick, I was the one that gave her money to get some medication. Mom, take it easy, Pico. Yeah? Please, I need to go out. Prepare for work now.
So, you people are condemning me. No, I'm the bad one here. Maybe I should be sharing the chores. I should be dividing the chores between her and him. Yes, now between my son and him, I should be dividing the chores. Your son?
Not my pastor.
Not your pastor.
Ebube.
Sir?
Come here. Ebube, I said come here. How are you?
I'm fine, sir.
No, you're not fine, Ebube. Is there a problem?
I'm fine.
Ebube, I said you don't look fine. What is the problem?
Sir, since 2 days now, I've not been feeling well. My body aches and I don't understand my body. I don't understand.
I guess it's malaria and typhoid. Okay, I'll get you some medication on my way back from work, okay? And if it persists, I'll take you to the hospital.
Thank you, sir.
Have a great day.
All right. There you go. Thank you.
Madam, wait.
What? Is it complete?
Yes, it's complete. Please, 1 minute.
What is it?
Madam, so this is your house?
Yes.
And because this is the third time I'm bringing you here.
Oh, okay, yes, it is.
Madam, what's your name, please?
My name is Lovette.
My name is Obiora.
Nice to meet you, Obiora.
Thank you very much. I hope you enjoyed my ride.
Yes, I did, but your AC is not working.
I know, the compressor is bad. I'm trying to raise money to fix it.
Yeah, that's fine.
It's okay. Oh, madam, hold on.
What is it?
I've been watching you.
What do you
I've been
mean?
looking at you through my mirror.
Okay, that's good.
You look like a nice person.
Thank you.
Madam, I'm looking for a wife. Oh. I want to get married. And you look like a nice person.
Nice person for what exactly?
I'm interested in you.
Wait, I don't understand. Are you okay?
Yes, I am.
You're interested in me?
Yes.
Wait,
yes.
is this how you ask your clients out?
No, you are the first person. I've not asked anybody like this. It's because I keep dropping you here. And I keep watching you through my mirror. So I now, said today I will tell you how I feel about you.
Oh, really?
You're very beautiful, yes.
So you really want to get married to me?
If you accept me.
I'm going to try to be nice to you.
But you're already nice to me.
I'm not going to entertain this kind of conversation with you.
I'm sorry, love it.
It's fine.
Please, but I'm a good guy. I'm a very responsible man. Oh. Beware of dogs. Ew.
Sleeping here by this time in the morning. I said it, she's a lazy type. Ebube, why are you here sleeping? Good morning. Not only good morning, good afternoon. Ebube, what is wrong with you? If you know you're tired of this job, wait now. There's a lot of people out there looking for this opportunity and you're here messing it up.
I'm sorry, ma. Just that I'm very tired.
Please, sorry for yourself. Anyway, that's none of my business. Is my fiancé around?
He drove out about 10 minutes ago, but its parents are inside.
I was actually calling Ebube to know why everywhere is so unkept.
But I hope everything is okay.
Everything is fine. How are you now, Mr. Mommy?
Everything is fine.
Thank God.
But Mommy, when I was coming in, I saw Ebube sleeping in one corner of the compound. And when I woke her up, she reluctantly told me that she's feeling weak.
You mean Ebube is sleeping somewhere around this house?
Yes, ma'am.
Look at everywhere, so unkept. Well, I don't have time now. Let me come back and I'll have a time. She will understand.
Okay.
I'm on my way to my shop.
But, Mommy, what about Pascal? He promised to take me out for shopping today. But I waited for him, I didn't see him. Only Ebube just told me that he drove out without me.
I overheard him telling his friend on the phone that he's been calling your line and it was switched off. Well, since he has promised to take you out for shopping, I'm on my way to my shop. Let's go, I'll drop you over.
Wow, thank you, Mommy.
No problem.
You're so sweet.
Thank you.
Thank you. You're the best.
Let's go.
Alright, sir.
Father, you sent for me.
Yes, that is it. Your brother, the priest, called from the United States that he will be coming back soon.
Really?
Yeah. And I want you to go along with some maidens to get that place tidy in the city.
Oh, yeah, of course. My brother is coming back.
Yeah.
This is good. I'll go tidy up the whole place, okay? When exactly is it going?
It didn't specify when he will come, but at least make sure that place is well tidy before he comes back.
Of course, Father. I sure will. This is good. But why didn't you tell me he's coming in? It's okay, I'll call him.
When you get there, do not spend much time. You know your suitor and his people will be coming here to do the marriage rites.
Yeah, okay, no problem. Okay, Daddy, I have to go now.
It's okay.
This boy is full of surprises. He didn't tell me.
This is the last time I will come for a treatment if I did not see money. The last time I will come for a treatment without seeing money.
Nayokoro, take it easy. It has not gotten to that extent. Please. Do you want Mama to die? It's not like I am taking everything you've done for granted. I really appreciate all what you have done, but please, still continue. See, you cannot afford to leave Mama like this. I don't want anything bad to happen to her. Besides, you've been treating other people. I'm sure Mama is not the only patient that you have been treating.
I'm afraid I will not treat her again.
And I know you've been collecting money from them. Please, just do me this favor. Continue treating her.
Listen to yourself first. So, Mary, are you hearing yourself? So you expect me to be treating her with other people's money that pay me? So if they pay me money, I will just use the money, go buy medicine and be treating her with that money. Let me just tell you, I will never treat her again without seeing any money. Please, for what? If I did not see my money, until I see money.
Nayokoro, please.
That's the
Nayokoro, please. Nayokoro, see, please.
Please, get it out. Please, when you're not going to
Mama, please, stop, not again. Mama, please, control your emotions. I don't want anything bad to happen to you. Mama, you are the reason my sister Ebube is in the city struggling, trying to make ends meet so that she'll be able to give you a better life. Mama, I want Ebube to come back to this village to meet you alive. I want you to reap the fruit of your labor, Mama. Please. Calm down and be alive for me. It's okay. I'm calling it right away. Let me call her to tell her what Nayokoro said. Oh? It's okay, stop crying. Stop crying. It's ringing. Hello? Yes, Ebube.
Nede. Yes, I've sent the money. Please go to Okoro's house now. Tell him to commence with the treatments. I've sent the money. Yes. I'll come home soon. Please take good care of Mama for me, please. Okay, thank you.
So you mean you have accepted my request?
Yes, I have. But on one condition.
Okay.
I need to know you well before we start talking about marriage.
What do you want to know about me?
Okay, so tell me, where do you live? Where are you from?
I live in the city.
Yes, I know. But where exactly are you from? Your village. I need to know your village.
Oh, my local government. Oh, but you know what? Let us start with the city first. Yeah? We need to get to know ourselves better in the city before we now start talking about my local government. When I know you better in the city, then I can now take you to my parents in my village. Is that okay?
What do you mean? So you don't want me to know your village?
No, I want you to know my village, but what I'm saying is, let us, finish with the city. But do you want to pay me a visit?
Of course I want to. And that's why I'm asking.
Let us finish with the city visit first. Then before I can now take you to my parents in the village. Is that okay?
Okay. It's fine. That's fine.
Can I take you out?
Yeah. What do you have in mind?
I know one joint. They sell fried rice and chicken.
Oh, really?
Yes, you're going to like it.
Okay, I don't mind.
You don't mind, right?
No, I don't.
Okay, let's go.
Wait. Can I have your address?
My address? In the village or in the city?
Obiora, in the city.
Oh, okay, that's not a problem. I can give it to you now.
Yeah.
Come, I'll give it to you now. It's not a problem.
Okay.
You're welcome.
How are you?
I'm fine. How is Ibre and your mother?
They're doing great.
Very good.
Careful, please. Careful with them.
I'm coming.
My brother the prince will be coming back from the States anytime soon. And I need everywhere to be kept clean. The compound. I need you to tidy up everywhere. And then Chiamaka will take care of the cleaning inside. Better still, you both can work together to ensure that everywhere is kept clean. Chiamaka, yes. Better still, you both can work together to ensure that everywhere is kept clean. Chiamaka.
Yes,
Okonta is your senior, you should know that. So I need you to respect him.
Yes,
I do not want any complaint. All I need is a cordial relationship. Am I clear?
Yes, my princess.
Good.
My princess, I heard everything you said, and it's clear and correct. I'm sorry if I may ask, when is this your brother Prince coming back, and how long is he staying?
Is there any problem?
No, there's no problem. I am just asking so that I will know how to, package myself.
Package yourself? And by that you mean?
My princess, You know, I have not seen this your brother before. I don't even know how he looks like. So I need to get myself prepared, you know now.
Okonta.
My princess.
I don't expect you to package yourself. Neither do you need to know my brother before you work for him. I need you to be at your best. Okay? Good.
It's okay. I'm sorry, my princess. One more question. Sorry that I'm asking too much. You know, when we were talking, you said something about cordial relationship. Myself and Chiamaka, cordial relationship. So that means, as we all are staying in this house, we're supposed to be relating with each other. You know what I mean? So I'm just asking if I am free to, you know, talking or relating with her. Just a question. Sorry, my princess.
Feel free to get along. You can go now.
Yeah, thank you, my princess. Thank you, my princess.
You're welcome.
How's she doing?
Naikoro, she's not getting any better. This is the way she has been since yesterday. Since you refused to give her medicine. Even food, ordinary food, she has not eaten.
Hey. Anyway, no problem. You said her daughter sent money for me.
She sent some money. Like, how much is the old one? Like the previous treatments?
18,000.
18. Well, can we tell you? You said 18, right?
18,000 naira.
Okay, this is what I'm going to do. I'll pay you for the old one.
Yeah.
Then we'll start a new one.
Okay.
How much is there?
It's
not complete. Okay, that's 3,000. It's complete now. So, I have cleared the old one. So, we are now starting a fresh one.
Yes.
Okay.
You said she has never eaten since today.
She has not eaten anything. See her now, because you have seen money now. Everything is about to come out. Oh dear, I have money. Treat her first. Here you are.
What's the meaning of that? What is the meaning of that, you fool? Come on, get up from there and continue your chores. Are you okay? Make sure everywhere is tidy up. Clean everywhere. Don't know why you're this lazy these days. Behaving like a pregnant idiot. Clean everywhere. Did you hear me? Do I look like your poor wretched mother that you should play with me this morning? Are you okay? Get out from there and continue your chores. Hey! Ebube! Ebube! What is this? Ah! Ebube! Ebube! Honey! Honey! Come on! Please, I don't know. Is this a joke?
What is it?
I don't know.
What's happening?
I was just picking my things. I just don't know. I don't know.
I'm looking at her. Where's my car key? Where's my car key? Look for my car key. Let's take her to the hospital.
What happened?
Come on, look for my car key and leave her alone.
Where's the car key? You are coming out.
I hope you're watching what you wanted now. You will not allow this poor girl to rest. Not even for a minute. As massive as that house is, she's only one in charge. She'll be here, she'll be there. They'll call her upstairs, call her downstairs. Sunrise to sundown. She's working. Now she's in the hospital. Let me remind you. When she dies, don't forget to write on her gravestone, Ebube died in active service, working for Madam Lucy. And should anything happen to that girl, you won't like what I'll do to you.
Do you know I don't like the way you sound at times?
I don't want you to like it.
The way you talk to me, I don't understand it. Why are you accusing me of something I know nothing about? Am I the cause of her problem? What is it?
Sorry, sir, for keeping you waiting.
Oh, my doctor, how are you?
Where is your son? I would like to congratulate him.
My son is at home. Congratulate him for what, sir?
Ebube is pregnant. Is she not his wife?
Pregnant? No, Ebube is not. She's a house help. She works for us.
Yes. Well, I'm sorry. According to the lab results, she's pregnant.
You're lying, right? That's not possible. There's a mix-up somewhere. Ebube is just barely 5 months with us. She don't even know her whereabouts anywhere here. How can you say that? Who got her pregnant?
Well, I'm sorry. According to the lab result here, Ebube is pregnant. Well, madam, you know her better than I do. When you get home, you sit her down and question her. I believe she will have answers for you. Meanwhile, I'll be discharging her soon.
It's okay, doctor. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Did you understand that lab result? Who got you pregnant? So, you've been sneaking around sleeping with men on the street, right? Who got you pregnant? I thought you were responsible. I never knew you were just a rotten egg. Who got you pregnant?
Enough. Enough! You think by shouting and ranting this way, she'll open her mouth to tell you the truth? You think the way you are questioning her, she'll tell you who's responsible for that?
Oh no, I should clap for her. I should romance words with her. I should even fry chicken and egg for her to tell me. Who got you pregnant? Who is that idiot that fixed that thing, that bastard in your womb? Who got you pregnant?
Ebube, you're like my daughter. Since you came in here, I've treated you as one. Please talk to me. Talk to me as a father who is responsible for this. Just tell me the truth and I'll take it from there. You don't need to be scared of anything. Come on, girl.
Look at this idiot. Can you imagine the way she walked out on us? Because you were here romancing words with her. No, you were here petting, you were here dancing with her. To tell us who impregnated her, right? Look at the way she ran out. Let it not be what I'm thinking, because if this is what I am thinking, I will strangle this girl, I will dump her dead body on the street and nothing will happen. I swear to God.
Then you will have me to contend with. What's the problem? If she was a doctor, we don't treat her like that.
The manner of which you romance and protect this girl. Are you trying to tell me something I don't know? Is there anything you're trying to tell me? Ignatius, are you responsible for that pregnancy? Tell me!
Nonsense.
Someone is walking out on me. Ignatius walked out on me. Hell, let it not be what I am thinking. Hell will lose. God, I will strangle somebody in this house. I will kill somebody. I will kill somebody. I will. I swear. I will.
Oh, please forgive me. Forgive me, God, please. It's never my fault. Please, God. Please, God. Comfort my mother. I can't take this shame to her. I can't. I need to end this. I need to end this. I need to end this.
Hey, stop! What's wrong with you? What are you doing? You want to kill yourself, please? Why? Come on, give me that knife. Give me the knife. Come on, just give me the knife. It's okay. You can give her the knife. Come on. What is the problem? You want to kill yourself and put my family and I into trouble? Are you this wicked little bit? Why? See, listen. Getting pregnant is not the end of life. It's not a crime. Okay? All you just need to know is to know who's responsible for this. And I'll take it from there. Okay? You have not killed anybody. Please, just relax. Go to the room. Go and rest. Come on. Come on. When I come back later, we'll talk about this, okay? Sorry. It's alright. It's okay.
Hi, baby.
Love it.
Yes, honey.
What are you doing here?
I came to surprise you. Come here. Baby, come.
You came to surprise me?
Yes, baby.
But you didn't call me. You didn't tell me you were coming.
Yeah, that's the point. I came to surprise you.
Is that why you took my address?
Yes, baby.
Hi.
Are you not happy to see me?
I'm happy to see you, but I wasn't expecting to see you this soon. You just appeared. Wow.
Yeah.
What are you doing here?
When I came here, I didn't see anybody outside, so I decided to sit down.
You didn't see anybody around?
No. Is somebody at home?
Come and stay here. Let me find out. Stay here. I'm coming. 1 minute.
Okay, baby.
Emeka. Yes. And what? Why did you do like this? Why did you do like this? Stop now.
Baby, is everything okay?
Eh?
Are you okay? What is it?
Yes, I'm fine. I'm fine. My friend, his girlfriend visited, so they are both inside. So you can't sleep inside the room.
I can't?
I know, I'm warning you. You cannot sleep inside that room.
Baby, if I
know why I'm telling you.
I know you said it before, so where am I going to sleep? Because obviously I cannot go back to the house. It's late. Look at the time. What are we going to do?
And Ebube, I'm sorry to have come to disturb your sleep this night. If you look at the time now, it's past 12, midnight. Like they say, both the living and the dead, they are asleep right now. I came to talk to you as a father. Since you came into this house, I've always trusted and believed in you. I want you to look at my face, Ebube, and tell me the truth. Who is responsible for this pregnancy? I'm asking not to castigate you or something, but just to make sure I know what to do and I do it on time.
Who is this girl now? Nobody.
See the lab, so. What TV this?
What are you doing?
Just calm down, okay? Just calm down. I will take it easy with you.
Calm down, how?
I will take it gently with you. Just give
How do
me.
you take what's easy?
Listen. You want money, right? I'll give you money for
I
something.
don't want money. Please, I don't want. Don't do this to me. I've not done it before. Please.
I know you've not done it before. I promise you I won't hurt you, okay? I will do it easy.
I don't want. I thought you have Auntie Mandy now. Why do you want to do this?
Auntie Mandy, I don't have anything to do with Auntie Mandy, okay? Listen, what do you want? You're a beautiful girl. I'll give you money to start up a business. Just give me this and let me show you. I promise you, I have a very sweet.
I'll tell your parents. I'll shout. Don't do this thing to me. I don't do this thing to
Are you stupid? Oh, because I'm begging you. Listen and listen to me carefully. If you don't give me this thing now, I will level an allegation on you that you stole from me. And you know what that means. You want to end up in the police station. Then give me this thing. You enjoy it. I have a very long time.
That night, he forced himself on me and took my virginity. Ever since then, I've not been myself because I vow never to give my virginity to any man aside my husband.
My dear baby, like I said before, I've always trusted you. I've always believed you. It's not like I'm doubting now, but I just want you to be sure you are saying the truth. Are you actually saying that Pascal is responsible for your pregnancy?
So you know me too well. Since I moved into this house, I've never lied to you. And besides, what will I gain in doing that? I'm telling you nothing but the truth.
It's okay, my dear. I've heard you. Just to assure you that I'm behind you
in all of this, okay? Don't be scared. I will take it up from here. Okay? Just go back to your sleep. We'll talk again tomorrow, okay?
Thank you, sir.
Don't think too much concerning this. I'll handle it. You come and lock your door now.
Now, I'm sorry. I love it, I'm sorry now. I've been begging you since now. I've been apologizing since before we got here. If you truly love me, you manage the mosquito bites now. I was also bitten by mosquitoes. I've not died. It's not my fault. But mosquitoes also beat me too now.
Obia, you're very stupid. You're just an idiot.
Sorry.
You want a wife, but you can't even take care of yourself.
Sorry, mosquito finished your leg.
What is wrong with you? Leave me alone. What is wrong? What exactly is your problem? Grown-ass man like you, be squatting with your friend in a one-bedroom apartment. And you want a wife. See, you must be very stupid. If I smack her.
It will not happen again.
Yes, it will never happen again because I am done with you.
Sorry now.
What is wrong with you? You should be ashamed of yourself. Find work for absolutely nothing. You have nothing. You are here talking about love. You are very stupid. Call my number again.
I love it. I've lost this one again. Poverty. It will never be well with you. Hi.
I didn't do it. She's lying.
I said shut up! Nonsense! I'm here talking, you're still lying to me. In my own presence. What's your problem? What has gone wrong with you? How could you do this to this little innocent girl? Oh, because she came to be your house help. And all you could do was to take advantage of her and get her pregnant. And now you're still lying.
Father, you slapped me. Father.
And I'll slap you again.
Father, you slapped me because of this dirty thing, Father. Father, I told you I did not get her pregnant. Why can't you believe me? Why? Mother! Hey, leave your mother out of this. I know Ebube very well. Right from the first day she came to this house, she has never lied. I have tested her on several occasions. She doesn't lie. I can bet that with my life. She has not lied about this. You did get her pregnant. Nonsense. Now listen to me. You've gotten her pregnant. As a father, I will do the needful. Just get ready. We'll go to her parents, we'll pay her bride price, and we'll bring her home.
God forbid. God forbid.
God forbid what?
I said God forbid. What are you saying? That my son, this my son, will go and... Are you okay? Are you speaking out of your mind? Huh? What are you even saying? That my son got this thing pregnant. How dare you believe everything you hear from this idiot? Yeah?
Are you done?
Yes, I am done.
I'm not surprised that you could buy your son's cock and bull story. I'm not. Because right from the first day this poor innocent girl came to this home, you never liked her. You hate even her physical appearance. And I've studied you all this while. Now listen, I just want to ask you a simple question. If you have conscience, let your conscience judge you. If she was a daughter, or your sister's daughter, even you putting yourself in her position and you are treated this way, how will you feel? Now listen, if your conscience tells you that, oh, nothing is wrong with it, it is well and good. Well and good. But if not, let your conscience judge you. And quickly, let me tell you, Kaman is an idiot. He goes and comes around and pays you with the right coin. For your information, this is your son's wife.
Let me ask you, are you laying curses on our son?
Oh, he has cursed himself already by his actions.
Oh, nonsense.
Babe.
Oh.
What is going on here?
Nothing, my dear. My daughter, you're welcome. Sweetheart, I want you to go to his room and wait for him to join with us, okay?
Yeah.
My dear, I know they will lie to you. I know they won't tell you the truth. Look at them. But as a man and the father of this home, I won't lie to you. This useless son calls himself Pascal, your supposed husband-to-be. God, it will be pregnant.
What?
And he's denying it.
No. No. It's not possible. I think there's a mix-up somewhere because my pastor cannot do such a thing. He can't. He cannot even get close to this dirty girl. Let alone sleeping with her.
My dear, God will bless you. You see, my daughter-in-law, you understand everything. Wonder how you just buy everything that comes out from this mouth. She just told you something and you accepted it just like that. You see this thing here? This bastard, this liar, pig, that went outside and got herself pregnant with one of the touts on the street, came back here to hang it on my son. Just because you find out that this family has money, you want to come and dig where you did not plant. You fail woefully. You fail!
It's okay, my daughter. Don't worry. I trust and I believe, okay? Don't be scared. Just go to your room.
Thank you, sir.
All right.
What's she doing there? Go to your room. Come on. What is she doing? Get out from there and go to your room. Go to your room.
Father, why are you doing this to me? Father, what have I done to deserve this? Father, do you want to ruin my relationship with Mandy? Why, Father?
Why not really nothing? All I want you to say as my son, say the truth, and only the truth will make you free.
What are you talking about, Father? I did not get her pregnant. I don't understand.
Pregnant!
Baby, let's go.
Please, my darling, both of you can just go to your... See, relax. Relax, my darling. The gold digger is talking and somebody's just buying the idol. Look at the pig. So just bought the idol just like that. Just see. And if you see, you see. With your eyes, not my eyes.
Transfer?
Yes.
Madam, you don't have cash?
Oh no, I mean, who still moves around with cash these days?
Okay, I'll give you my account number, no problem.
Okay. Okay, what bank?
Ebony Bank.
Account number?
222.
Yeah.
432.
432.
769. Madam, how much did you send?
Check.
Sorry.
Sent.
Sorry, ma, how much did you send? Don't worry.
Just check your phone.
No
okay?
problem.
Right.
Sorry, ma. Can you do me a favor?
Okay, sure.
Are you the owner of this house?
No. It's not my house. It's actually my brother's house. He stays in the States. He'll be coming back soon, so I just want to tidy up everywhere.
Oh, okay. It's your brother's house. Your brother must be very rich. Madam, please. I'm looking for an accommodation. I'm looking for where to stay. Can you please give me your boss quarters or something? I'm actually trying to raise money so I can find a house, you know, an accommodation for myself, but I don't know where to stay now.
I'm sorry, but we don't have spare space. We're not renting. But I mean, what happened to your current place?
Madam, it's a long story. I'm squatting with my friend. But my problem with him is he womanizes too much. He likes women. He brings women every night. Every night they'll be disturbing me. Madam, you know what I mean now. Every night the woman will be screaming.
Okay.
And I cannot sleep at night. Sometimes I have to go outside. So I decided to give them some privacy. I'm looking for my own place so that I can be, you know, I can stay and focus on my work.
That sounds really funny. So you mean to tell me that a good-looking guy like you do not have a girlfriend?
But madam, we're not talking about girlfriends. I'm sorry. I don't have a girlfriend, but that's because finding a girlfriend in this town is very expensive. When you find one, they want you to buy a car or buy a house for them. And I cannot afford that. So I'm trying to work hard. And when I make the type of money I want, I'll just get married straight. I don't have to play around.
Okay, you don't want to spend too much. It's okay, I get it. You're really funny and you seem like a really cool person.
Thank you, ma. Yes, I'm a cool person.
I see. Okay, quick one. About what you said, I would speak with my security man and see if he can allow you share his space with him.
Oh, that one.
Yes. His name is Okonta. He's an old man. At least with him you would sleep well.
Okay. Thank you, ma.
You're welcome.
Thank you very much, ma. I appreciate it, ma.
Yeah. Okonta.
Thank you, ma.
Okonta. Open the gate.
Thank you, ma.
Chiamaka.
God!
Listen, babe. You know I love you so much, right? And I want to spend the rest of my life with you. Babe, you need to trust me. I did not impregnate that girl, babe. You need to believe me. I don't know what she fed my father. He has been acting up lately. I heard her grandmother is a native doctor. Maybe she inherited a witchcraft from her.
You knew all this. And you still let her to stay in this house. Wait. She's even the one preparing meals that you people eat in this house. Thank God you told me about it. See, henceforth I'll not eat anything prepared by her. Before she will give me rat poison to eat and die. So that she will have it all to herself.
So for babe, that girl will leave this house immediately. I don't even know what she's still doing in this house. Listen, my love. And that girl will leave this house immediately. Okay?
Are you sure?
Don't wish to do that. No, I don't want you to get that.
You've already upset.
I'm sorry. I didn't get that. Baby, I can't stoop so low now. Can't you see that girl? A dirty girl for that matter. So, baby, you say you're surprising me seriously because you don't trust your man anymore. So listen, I love you.
Okonta. Okonta.
My princess. My princess.
You saw the cab guy that left some minutes ago.
You mean the one that drives Kabu Kabu?
The cab guy.
Okay. Cab guy is his name. Okay. I saw him. Mr. Cab guy.
Okonta, I need him to be staying with you. You have to accommodate him in your security house. He's in distress and I really want to help him. For some reason, I just want to help him.
My people, there will be a problem.
A problem?
Yeah.
Do you know him from anywhere?
Well, I don't know him. But there's one word I say that by their fruit you shall know them. I don't trust that boy. Allowing him to stay in this house might cause one problem or the other. Because you look at him, he's a very fine boy. Eh? Remember, you have your maid in Chiamaka. I don't trust him. Even you. Because tomorrow...
Okonta, I have just passed my message and that's fine now. Alright, bye.
Mama, what is it? Why are you crying? I brought you food. Are you that hungry that you can't wait for me to get the food again? Are you already crying? What is it? What is it, Mama? Stop crying. See the food now. Let me feed you.
I don't think all things are well with Ebube, my daughter.
Oh, Mama. So the tears is all about Ebube. By the way, what do you even mean by I'm not sure all is well with Ebube?
And a terrible dream about her last night. Whenever I have such dreams.
Mama, it was just a dream. It was just a dream, Mama. And remember, not all dreams come true. It's okay. It's your food. Okay? Oh yeah, eat. Mama, stop now. I will call Ebube to find out if all is well with her or not.
Are you sure?
I'm sure. I'll call her. Meanwhile, I don't have airtime right now. Once you are done eating this food, I'm going right to get airtime. And once I get it, I'll call her today. Oh yeah, eat your food. Eat. Oh? Mama, eat now. Eat it. Eat. Oh? Eat. Eat it.
No one knows tomorrow. And we're on your mechi. Morning, afternoon, and night. Always coming a day with different assignments. You know the truth, you cover it up. Makagini, you know.
Hello, Ebube. I'm fine, and Mama is fine too. Ebube, is everything alright? I'm asking because your voice sounds somehow. I don't know, and Mama has been worried. Ever since she had a dream that she said she saw you, that you were not okay in the dream. Is everything alright? And your voice is not sounding so nice. Hey, hello? Hello, Ebube? Hello? Hello? She cut the call. Ebube never cut the call on me like this before. I hope nothing is wrong with her. Mama could be so right though. Everything is not, all is not well with her. But the problem now is, what do I tell Mama? Okay. I've spoken with Sister Mo. She was sounding so well. All is well with her, Mama.
Why didn't you bring the phone for me and I to speak?
Mama, do you know that we did not get to finish our conversation? Her battery went flat. Okay, don't worry. When next I call her, I'll give you the phone, okay?
Until I hear her voice, I will not believe you.
Mama, not again. Mama, do you know you're so beautiful? Mama, little one. Achalugo. And then a bed, Mama, don't worry. You will get well. Very soon, we'll be back on your feet. Okay?
Very soon. Do you know what it means for somebody to be down with stroke and high blood pressure?
Mama, There is nothing so difficult for God to do. The only challenge I feel that we're facing right now is financial challenge. Because if we had money, maybe we would have taken you to the hospital by now. And you'll be properly taken care of. But don't worry. I pray that someday the God in heaven shall heal you and you'll be back to your feet again. Mama, smile for me, Mama. Oh yeah, smile. Smile. For me, smile.
Oh, so here you are. All alone. Scheming another evil against my man, right? Your frustration has gotten to an extent that you are accusing him of getting you pregnant. You want to reap where you did not sow. Yes. You really want to reap where you did not sow, right? You have failed. Your plans, it will not work at all. You want to take my man away from me. You cannot. Because you are not the same level. And listen, let me warn you. If you know what is good for you, go and apologize to him and tell them who is responsible for this nonsense you're carrying in your womb. Else, you will not like what I will do to you. And I will make sure you're kicked out of this compound to the street where you belong to. Nonsense.
I don't have anything to say to you. Like you said, we are not of the same class.
Yes, you know that.
But that does not mean you're not a woman like me. No matter who you are, we are equal in the eyes of the Lord. So I advise you talk to your man to tell you the truth. How he deceived and got me pregnant because he felt no one will speak for me. But God in heaven is seeing everyone. You can deceive anyone, but you can't deceive God.
No one knows tomorrow. We're on your money.
Look at this girl. So you're walking out of me, right? Ebube! Ebube, come here! Can you imagine? Oh, wait, too. My pastor still so late to speak.
You know the truth. You cover it.
No, this is the shit and the you cannot be trusted by someone.
You cover it all.
You know this is what you this. You cover it all.
Makifano, Malukwana, Malusia, you cover it all. Makifano, Malukwana is the one you cover it all. Makifano, Makagino, you cover it all. Makifano,
Ah, good morning, ma.
Morning, how are you?
I'm fine, oh. How are you, ma? How was your night? I hope you slept well.
Yeah, sure I did. Oh, and you?
I did.
Okay.
Well done, ma.
Can see you're getting set for work.
Yes, I'm trying to clean the car so I can go to work. Mornings like this, I make a lot of money taking my customers to work and bringing them back at night. Yes.
I like that. You're active.
Thank you, ma. Thank you.
I want you to work for me today. I have some places to go.
Okay, you mean drive you around?
Yes, how much is it going to cost?
Ha! Madam. Madam, I charge a lot for, for a full day job. Madam, I don't know how to charge you. You know you are a very nice person to me, so I don't even know how to go about it.
No, come on. Don't do that to yourself. I'm nice to you. This is your work. Okay? You don't joke with your work. So how much do you charge?
Madam, I don't know how to charge you, but for one full day I can take 100, but because of you I'll take 80,000. Okay. Madam, why are you allowing me to charge you now?
No,
I can do it for free.
Nothing, please.
Because you're already nice to me. I can do it for free.
I'll give you 120,000. I hope that's fair. You can keep the change, okay?
120,000.
Yes. So, Let me go. Get ready. We'll be right back.
120,000. 120,000. Hey. Hey. $120,000.
Yeah, Obiora.
120 naira. Sir?
Obiora.
Sir?
Sir? How many times did I call you?
3 times, sir.
Obiora, this is what you did now. What me and you talk?
Sir, what have I done again?
You asking me?
Yes, sir.
You asking me?
What have I done?
Obiora, the day you enter this house, enter this compound, I warned you that I don't want you to have anything to do with these girls here. I warned you.
Mr. Okonta, what have I done? What have I done? I was here cleaning my car because I'm ready to go to work. The princess walked up to me and said she wants me to drive her around. Am I supposed to ignore her?
That was why you wanted to kiss her. Eh?
Kiss her?
That was why you wanted to kiss her.
Kiss her? Me?
If not that I did there, they wash you. Your mouth today close your mouth. For
Mr. Okonta, what do you want from me? What do you want from me? What do you want from me, Mr. Okonta?
Obiora, be careful. I just warn you. You see these girls, Princess and her maiden, Chiamaka. Keep away from them. Obiora.
Mom, I don't understand what is going on. No, Mom, tell me what is going on. Why is everyone accusing me? I've told you before, I didn't get her pregnant. I am not responsible for her pregnancy.
You know my problem in this whole thing. The way that girl was just saying it in confidence, it shows that there's atom of truth in what she was saying. And let me ask you, what will she gain in lying against you, Pascal? What will she gain if she doesn't know or she wasn't even sure of what she was saying?
Babe, can you listen to yourself? No, can you just listen to yourself? We're talking about a frustrated girl here from a poor home. She will do everything to bring me down. Listen, I won't let this girl intimidate me with her lies. It's not going to happen. I didn't get her pregnant.
Mandy, my dear. Pascal, my son, is right. You know all these frustrated homeless girls that is filtered all over place. Ebube is not an exception now. She can do everything.
Mama, see, honestly, I don't know who to believe in this whole thing. I'm out of here.
Where are you going to?
I'll see you later.
Where are you going to now?
I'll see you later.
Pascal. You know it's both of us, just 2 of us in this room, no one else. Please. I want you to look into my eyes and tell me the truth. Are you responsible for Ebube's pregnancy?
Mom.
Because the way she is so bold without mixing words, the way she's saying it, it's so convincing. And I ask again, are you responsible? Please tell me, and what do you want? Let me handle it from there. Please.
Mom, even you. So you don't trust me, Mom? Mom, you don't trust me? Excuse me.
No one knows tomorrow. We're on your mechi. Morning, afternoon, and night. Always coming a day with different assignments.
But what's your problem? What is your problem? Why do you want to spoil my relationship with Mandy because of an ordinary pregnancy?
Who is responsible for this ordinary pregnancy? I begged you. I pleaded with you not to do it. You promised to give me everything in this world just to have me. You even threatened to throw me out of this house. And now you want to deny me because you feel I have no one to speak for me. But remember, God is in heaven watching you.
Ibobi, you're talking to me like this. No, Ibobi, now you've grown wings. Now you can challenge me. You're not bold enough to talk when I talk. Me, Pascal. Me, Pascal. Ha. Well, I'm sorry, okay? I know I messed up and I'm really sorry for what I made you go through. Listen, I promise you we can resolve this amicably, okay? I will give you some money to flush that thing in your womb, okay? And then we can just forget about all this mess. Please, I'm begging you.
I'm sorry, Mr. Pascal. I won't do it.
Do it. Oh boy, this girl, but you won't do it. You're telling me to my face that you won't do it. But I swear to God, I will make the rest of your life miserable.
You can do whatever you want to do. I won't do it. What is all this?
No one knows tomorrow. We're on your mechi. Morning, afternoon, and night. Always coming a day with different assignments. You know the truth, you cover it up. Makagini,
I was coming to open the door. Wait, my princess. I think you're forgetting something.
Welcome, my princess.
Yeah. How are you?
I'm fine.
It's yours. You can have it.
Huh? Mine?
Yeah.
How? My princess, mine?
Yes.
Is it not too much?
Nothing is too much. You deserve it. Look, I like you. You're a good man.
You like me?
No, like, you're a good man. But it's okay. Have fun. See you around.
My princess. Is this not a lot?
No, it isn't.
My princess. Sorry. Please. When is your brother coming back?
Soon.
Soon,
He's busy and needs to tidy up a few things before he comes in.
Oh, okay, no problem. At least I have some time to...
I hope there's no problem.
No, you know...
If you're thinking that my brother is going to throw you out once he comes in, just scrap that, okay? He's my brother, and he's not like that.
I know, but at the same time, the house is not my own, so I have to be prepared for anything.
No, come on, you have nothing to worry about.
Okay.
Okay?
No problem. Thank you, ma.
All right.
Thank
See you
you.
around.
Okay. I said, come here.
Sir, you called me.
That bag princess gave you, what is inside that bag?
What?
I said that bag princess gave to you, what is inside that bag?
Okay, the bag. She took it inside.
What are the one you threw inside your
There's nothing in my car.
Yeah, Obiora. Remember, the first day you entered into this compound, I told you that I don't trust you. I thought.
But sir, she took
When
the
was
bag.
princess buy something for you?
No, she didn't buy anything from you. She just took the bag inside. Yes, sir.
She took the bag inside?
Yes, sir.
So the bag is not inside this car?
No, sir, no.
It's not inside your car? Obiora!
Andy, there's nothing that girl cannot do. For her to come out openly and tell everybody that Pascal got her pregnant, you need to shine your eyes on. You really need to.
My Pascal cannot do that. He cannot do that kind of nonsense. Let alone being responsible for her pregnancy. No, he can't do that to me now.
I don't understand. Yeah, Pascal cannot do that to me. Man, you dey trust man. Man that will just see only the skirts of a woman. Everything don't happen. Your trusting man. I pity you. You better do something about it. Better go back to that house.
So, what should I do about it? Because I'm really confused. I don't know what to do.
Simple. Since the both parents have agreed that you guys will get married, easy. Pack your bags and go back to that house. Yes.
It's too much.
Or say too much. No, stay there. Let another woman come and take care of your man for you.
Oh. I think you have your point there. You're right.
Mandy, it's okay. Just go back. Go back to your... He's your husband already.
No
Since
problem.
your parents have agreed, he's your husband. Just go back to him. Okay?
No problem. I know what to do, okay?
Okay.
Thank you very much.
It's okay. Take care of yourself, okay?
Woman, Pastor, I called both of you for the final time to find out the truth as it concerns Ebube's matter. And I want to ask you for the last time. Pascal, are you responsible for Ebube's pregnancy?
Honestly, Father, this is beginning to piss me off. I did not get her pregnant. Father, why are you forcing me to accept it? Why?
The nonsense you just vomited from your mouth has not answered my question. Simple question. Are you responsible? Yes or no? So that we know how to handle this matter ab initio.
Handle what, Father? Father, are you forcing me to accept what I did not do? Are you forcing me to get married to that girl? How can I stoop so low to sleep with that gold digger, that dirty pig? What is going on, Father?
I don't know why you find it difficult to believe your son. He said that he is not responsible for Ebube's pregnancy. What is there for you to understand? Well, if you don't believe him, I believe him. He is innocent. He knows nothing about that pregnancy.
Woman, it beats me hollow how you could forget so soon what happened a few years back. While our son was in the university, he was accused of rape cases two times. He denied with his life. He swore before me that he was not responsible. And at the end of the day, what happened? If not for my influence, he would have gone to jail. You know how much of my hard-earned money I spent to making sure that he didn't go to jail and he could graduate from the university. Today, we have a similar case. And you are ranting, vouching for your son with such antecedents with your own life. I'm so disappointed at you, woman.
Chief, that was then. And even at that, Chief, he has changed. My son is no longer that person he used to be. He's a changed person. He is not responsible for Ebube's pregnancy. That's final.
I like that. You both have said final. Very good. And I sincerely hope finally you are not the one responsible. This is it. I'll be traveling tomorrow. By the time I come back, I want to believe both of you would have reasoned and you would have been kind and sincere enough to tell your mother the truth. Let me tell you this. If she was worthy enough for you to sleep with and impregnated her, she should be worthy enough to be your life partner all the days of your life. Thank God the child is involved.
God forbid. She can't be my wife. God forbid.
We shall see. Okay.
Very well.
You know the truth. Makagini. You know the truth. You cover it up. You cover it up.
Why is he accusing me for something?
I
don't understand. Mom, you know me. I can't stoop so low to get that girl pregnant.
I believe you, my son. I stood by you. I'm standing by you. Calm down. Calm down here. I'm your mother. Count on me.
You forgot nothing happened without reason. It's not in your hands.
Tobiora, this one you came back from work so early and you are sitting down here thinking, what is your problem? You are not even married, as you have said that maybe your wife has been starving you for the past 6 months. So what is your problem?
Mr. Conte, I don't have a problem. I'm just relaxing. Please, can I ask you a question?
You want to ask me a question?
Yes.
Okay. If what you want to ask me is not necessary, you can go ahead and ask me. But if it is not, you better keep your...
Mr. Conte, do you have daughters?
Why do you ask?
Mr. Conte, just go straight to the point and answer the question. Stop being difficult.
Why do you ask? Do you want to kidnap them because I don't trust you?
Conte, I don't want to kidnap your daughters. I just asked the question. Do you have daughters? Grown-up daughters? Daughters who are adults?
Okay. I have grown-up daughters.
Hey,
what about them?
That's good. You know, you just go straight to the point and answer the question instead of, being difficult. Mr. Conte, I have another question for you. Why do some women prefer to follow or to end up with rich men without investigating how they made their money, as opposed to, ending up or marrying men who are still struggling to build their life so that they can grow together? For an instance, I'm a taxi driver, a hard-working one at that. I work hard every day to make a living. If I ask your daughter now to marry me, or one of your daughters, will she marry me?
You ask any of my daughters to marry you, a taxi driver?
Yes.
You. Obviously, do you know that you are very stupid? You are an idiot. Anyway, let me start answering your question by thanking God that none of my daughters know you, or you know any of my daughters. Before you use this your nonsense fine boy to go and deceive any of them and let that person into marriage and starve her to death.
Mr. Conte, I just asked the question. I said, will your daughter accept to marry me, a taxi driver?
Bobia, shut up! Shut up! Before we go around, shut up! She will not accept to marry because you are a poor man. A taxi driver, look at you. There, come. Obia, if you try that, if I see you 10 miles close to any of my daughters, Makachiku, I will kill you. If I don't kill you, come here, bastard. Have my broken. Look at you. You are looking for him to deceive. If my daughter would have, there, but not going to watch a fine again. I beg you. It's okay. I know what to do. And listen to me. Listen to me. If I see you anywhere close to my house or talking to any of my daughters, Makachu, I will turn you to lizard. I will turn you to lizard and sell you to that native daughter, my neighbor, who is a native daughter. I will turn you to lizard and sell you to that native daughter. Idiot. If my daughter will accept to marry you, look at you. Okay, Ngwere, lizard. Idiot.
My daughter, it's not like I do not believe or trust you. I've never doubted all the things you have told me, especially as regards this whole pregnancy thing. But you see, I'll be traveling for a business trip. I'll be away for a few days. When I come back, I want to take some actions. And I want these actions to be based on true information. I just don't want to act so that at the end, I have to blame myself. Please, my daughter, for the very last time,
Is my son Pascal responsible for this pregnancy?
So I can't lie to you. Pascal, your son, is the first and only man who has seen my nakedness.
It's okay. I believe you. Like I said, I've always trusted you. It's alright. Is there anything I should know about you? About your background, your family, your father, your mother, your siblings?
There is nothing interesting about my family. My father died when I was younger. I grew up with my mother and my elder brother. So I don't want to remember my past and add to my current condition. As we speak, my mother is very sick in the village, struggling to survive with the little money I sent to her.
I'm sorry about this. Sorry to hear this story about your family. But it's okay. Can I ask you this question? Would you like to marry my son, Pascal?
So marrying your son is like being in bondage. If you can put me in this condition and deny me, that means I will be in trouble for the rest of my life being his wife. My only problem now is how to face my mother and how to take care of this pregnancy.
Don't worry about these problems you just mentioned. Little problems you just mentioned. When I'm back from my trip, we'll take care of them. Okay?
Alright, sir.
Believe me in this.
Okay, sir.
Hold on, I'm coming. Aunt Mandy, how you doing? Welcome.
Come here. Huh? I say come here. How dare you? How dare you ask me that useless question?
Mandy, what did I do to you? Why did you slap me?
One more word from you, you will get another hot slap. How dare you? Am I too small for you to notice me? Or you don't know how I look like again, right? Listen, let me warn you. I have gone to my man's house to stay. You will not even have the time to sneak into my man's room. I am here to stay.
What is going on here? What is happening here? Mandy. Is that you?
Yes.
So what is going on?
I don't know. As I just came in here, this thing standing here just got me angry.
It's okay. It's okay. It hasn't gotten to the point of what is going on there now, okay? No, she can be stupid at times.
Can you imagine? I came in here calling you or Pascal to know, for you people to know that I'm around. Only for her to ask me who am I in this house. She had the effrontery to question me.
Like I said, calm down. It's okay. She can be stupid at times. It's okay. And those bags?
Dear mine. Mommy, I have come to stay. I have come to stay in my husband-to-be's house. Because I don't want this thing, this idiot, to snatch him away from me.
Yeah?
Yes.
It's okay. It's okay. There's no problem about that. And you, take those bags to their room.
Okay. Don't you dare touch my bag. So you want to carry my bag now upstairs, Abby? So that you will enter that room and start looking around. You want to know how the room looks like, right? Try it now. Just try me. As from today, you're just a slave in this house.
Now that you have refused her to help you, how would you drag those bags upstairs?
Mommy, I will manage. Even if I cannot carry them, Pascal will take them upstairs once we return.
It's okay then. It's okay then. Then go upstairs. And you, leave. I said leave.
I am finished.
This girl gets me upset. I don't even like seeing her. Like, her presence irritates me.
Good for nothing. Baby elephant.
I hate her guts. Her presence irritates me.
Go to your room, okay? Let's go.
This bag is crazy. When Pastor comes,
enjoy yourself.
You can't deny me now, but you can't determine my destiny. Sometimes I wonder what I did. Sometimes I wonder where I go wrong to be suffering this way. Is it my fault to be born? Is it my
Mama,
fault?
what is it again? I've been observing you. You have been so moody since morning. What is the problem?
Lady, my daughter, I want to ask you a question.
Go ahead, Mama.
Do you know why youths of nowadays, especially the ones in your age, why they're always happy and healthy?
Mama, this your question sounds so strange. Okay, no, I don't. Tell me why.
I know you will not understand. Like me now, I have been sitting down here and I've been sick. And I don't know if I'm going to survive it. And my only daughter is in the city, struggling, suffering above her age, just to make ends meet, to make sure that she takes care of me.
Mama, you worry too much. I've told you to stop disturbing yourself over Ebube's situation or condition. I'm pretty sure she's fine. Nothing is wrong with her. Besides, if something is wrong with her, she would have sent a message across, or better still, give us a call. It's okay, Mama.
But why is she no longer coming to the village? Has she forgotten she has a helpless old mother in the village?
Mama, not again. You are not helpless, Mama. Besides, Sister Ebube is trying her best. She has been sending money from time to time for your upkeep. So why are you complaining? Okay, see what will happen. Once I'm done washing those clothes, I'm going to give her a call. Is that okay by you?
Yes, that would be good.
If I call her, I'll give you the phone to talk to her, okay?
Until I speak with her, I'll now know if everything is okay with her.
Mama, at this point, I think you are getting yourself worked up. You really need to lie down right now and rest. Oh yeah, lie down, Mama.
I will do that when I feel like.
Lie down, eh?
Yes, I will do that when I feel like.
So I should get back to what I was doing.
So please go back to what you are doing.
It's fine. Alright. Good.
Imebiru amo, ipochuru mi.
imeziri ụwa na-ajụ m ọgụ onye ga-arụzi imebiri ụwa ịkpọchiri m iru imeziri ụwa na-ajụ m ọgụ onye ga-arụzi imebiri ụwa ịkpọchiri m iru imeziri ụwa na-ajụ m ọgụ onye ga-arụzi imebiri ụwa ịkpọchiri m iru imeziri ụwa na-ajụ m ọgụ onye ga-arụzi. You can deny me now, but you can't determine my destiny. Sometimes I want